Welcome to this new lesson. In this session, we are going to set up the Commerce application in Salesforce. As you can see, we are already inside our Salesforce sandbox, and the first thing we need to do is go to Setup. Once we are in the Setup menu, we can use the search bar at the top to look for Commerce. Among the results, we should see Commerce Setup Assistant. This is what we need to open. This assistant will guide us through the installation process, and all we have to do is follow the steps by clicking Next, Next, Next until the setup is complete. The process might take a couple of minutes, and while it runs, you'll see updates on the screen showing everything it's doing in the background. Now, technically, we could configure everything manually by creating objects, setting up profiles, defining payment methods, and adjusting the order system. But that would take a lot of time. The Commerce Setup Assistant does all of this for us automatically, which makes the process much faster and easier. Once the setup is finished, a confirmation pop-up will appear. At this point, we can either go through some additional configuration steps or jump straight into the Commerce application itself. To access it, we simply open the App Launcher, the grid icon at the top left, search for Commerce, and open the application. And that's it. The Commerce application is now installed, and we're ready to continue with the next steps. In the next lesson, we'll go deeper into the configuration to start setting up our store.